This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use organic Mehndi step by step. Begin by choosing fresh organic henna powder and a clean workspace. Sift the powder to remove lumps and mix slowly with lemon juice until it feels like thick yogurt. Cover the bowl and let it rest for several hours to bloom the dye while you prepare your cones and design references for a calm application session. Make a cone by transferring the rested Mehndi paste into a cone or applicator bottle using a funnel or plastic sheet. Seal the top by twisting and secure with tape or a small clip so pressure is consistent when you squeeze. Practice on scrap paper until the lines are even and fine, and adjust the tip if needed so your real design flows smoothly without unexpected blobs or drips. Start applying Mehndi with a clear outline and then fill patterns using thin strokes and dots for texture. Keep your hand steady and support your wrist on a cushion to prevent shaking, and always work from the center outward on complex motifs. Once the design is tacky, dab a sugar lemon mix to seal and help the color darken, then leave the paste on as long as possible for the deepest stain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.